Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will see how to use the Quran package. Let's start. So what is Quran package? The Quran package is used for typesetting the Holy Quran. It provides several macros for typesetting not only the whole or any parts of the Holy Quran based on its popular division but also any chunks of an ayah. Translations of the Holy Quran in German, English, French and Persian are also supported in it. How to write the Holy Quran? There are multiple macros defined in it. For typesetting any parts or whole of the Holy Quran, several macros are defined in the package. These commands are responsible for typesetting all popular divisions of the Holy Quran based on Usmani script, including surah, ayah, page, juz, hizb, quarter, ruku, and manzil, as well as any chunks of an ayah. Let's see the first macro. The first macro is surah. The macro command is Quran surah that takes the surah range as an argument. This macro can typeset any surah of Quran. A range consists either of a single number or two numbers separated by a dash, as in number 1 dash number 2. To write the Arabic, it must be in the Arab environment. In the Arab environment, you can use the Quran Surah command. The Quran Surah in the brackets there is 1, so it will write the first surah of the Holy Quran. Similarly, in the next example, the Quran Surah and brackets 113 to 114, so it will write the last two surahs of the Holy Quran. Let's see this in the text studio. First of all, you need these packages for writing the Arabic and the Holy Quran. The Quran package is for the Holy Quran and the font spec and Arabzetic is for writing Arabic. The Arabzetic package is compatible with ZLaTeX, so you need to configure the compiler settings. Go to the options, configure text studio, go to build and select the default compiler to ZLaTeX. Press OK. Now you can write the Arabic in the document. Write the begin Arab environment. In the environment, write the surah command Quran surah brackets 1. So it will write the first surah of the Holy Quran. As you can see, the first surah of the Holy Quran is coming in the document. For example, if you want to write the last surah of the Quran, that is 114. Now the last surah of the Holy Quran is coming here. Similarly, you can write the surahs in the range. For example, 1112 to 1114. All the three surahs are coming here. First surah is here, second surah and the third surah is coming here. Instead of giving the surah number in the optional arguments, you can also give the name of the surah. For example, Quran Surah Al-Fatiha, Quran Surah Al-Ikhlas, and in the range you can give the name Al-Falaq. To separate the surahs, you need to write double dash Al-Falaq dash dash An-Nas. So it will write the surahs between the Al-Falaq to An-Nas. Let's see in the text studio. Al-Fatiha. The first surah is coming here. Similarly, Al-Falaq dash dash An-Nas. The Al-Falaq surah is coming here and An-Nas surah is coming here. This is the list of the names of the surahs of the Holy Quran. Al-Fatiha, Al-Baqarah, Al-Imran, An-Nisa, Qaf, Al-Fil, Al-Falaq, An-Nas. You can write these names in the Quran Surah command to write these surahs. The Quran Surah writes each ayah of the surah on separate lines. To write all the ayah within one paragraph, write the Quran Surah command, Quran Surah star command. The Quran Surah terminates typesetting of every ayah using the paragraph, while Quran Surah star uses the blank space for each ayah. As a simplified rule of thumb, Quran Surah prints ayahs as multiple paragraphs, while Quran Surah star prints them as a single paragraph. All starred macros in the package act similar in this manner. For example, Quran Surah star Al-Fatiha. It will write the first surah of the Quran within one paragraph. Let's see here. Quran Surah star Al-Fatiha. Now all the ayah of the surah are coming in one paragraph. The Bismillah command writes the Bismillah without ayah numbers. The next macro is ayah. The Quran ayah command is used to write the ayahs within the surah. The Quran ayah command is Quran ayah. First argument is surah and the second argument is ayah range. Similarly for Quran ayah star. Range is similar the one explained for Quran Surah, and this pattern is similar to all commands defined in the package. For example, Quran ayah Al-Fatiha, second argument is 1 to 2. Similarly here Quran ayah star Al-Fatiha 1 to 2. It will write the first two ayah of the first surah. Let's see here. Quran Surah Al-Fatiha, Quran ayah AYAH. Let's write 1 to 3. See, only the first three ayah of the first surah is coming here. Similarly 1 to 5. For example 2 to 5. Ayah number 2 to ayah number 5 is coming here. The next macro is pages. It typesets the specified range of pages of the Holy Quran. The numbers in range have to be between 1 to 604 based on the Medina Mus'haf. This is the command Quran page and page range. For example here Quran page 1, it will write the first page of the Quran, and similarly Quran page star 1 to 2, it will write the first two pages of the Quran within single paragraph. Quran page Quran page 1, the first page of the Quran is first surah. Similarly Quran page 3, third page of the Quran is this, and similarly Quran page star 1 to 3. first three pages of the Quran. So these are the first three pages of the Quran coming in single paragraph. The next command is use. This macro typesets the specified range of use of the Holy Quran ranging from 1 to 30. The command is similar. Quran use range. Let's see. Quran use 30. This is the last use of the Holy Quran. The next macro is Hizb. Each use of the Holy Quran is divided into two azab groups. Thus there are 60 Hizbs azab. For example, Quran Hizb star 60. It will write the second part of the last juz of the Holy Quran. Similarly, the next macro is quarter. Each hizb of the Holy Quran is divided into 4 quarters, making 8 quarters per juz called makra. There are 240 of these quarters of hizb in the Holy Quran. So you can write them in the range Quran quarter 1 to 2 or any range between 2 to 40. 240. The next command is ruku. Longest surahs chapters in the Quran are usually divided into several rukus. There are 556 rukus. You can write any ruku, Quran ruku, star, any number of the ruku or range of the rukus. For example, 555 to 556. Let's see. Quran ruku 1 to 2. First two rukus of the Holy Quran. Similarly, last two rukus 555 to 556. These are the last two rukus of the Holy Quran. The next one is manzil. For the convenience of people who wish to read the Quran in a week, the text may be divided into 7 portions. Each portion is known as manzil. There are 7 manzils, and the first manzil is number 1. It will contain from chapter 1 to chapter 4. Similarly, the second manzil is chapter 5 to chapter 9. Similarly, manzil 3 is chapter 10 to chapter 16. And similarly, last manzil is chapter 15, chapter 50 to chapter 114, consisting of 65 surahs. The next command is text of the Quran. The next macro is the heart of all macros in the package, typesetting any range of Quran. As you know, there are 6,236 ayahs in the Holy Quran. This macro can typeset a specific ayah or any range of ayahs. The command is Quran text and index range. You can specify any range of the ayahs. The next one is chunks of an ayah. This package is capable of typesetting not only a whole ayah but also any chunks of an ayah if the word-wise option has been loaded. The Quran ayah, and it receives 3 arguments: surah range, ayah range and chunk range. Using this command we can get the text or chunk of an ayah. For example, Quran ayah surah number 1, ayah range 1, and the chunk range is 1 to 2. The first two letters or chunk of the first ayah is Bismillah. Similarly, 1 to 5, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Similarly, for second ayah, 1 to 3, Alhamdulillah Rabbi. Similarly, 1 to 4, Rabbil Alameen. To get the chunk of an ayah, you need to give the word-wise option in the use package command. The next command is names of surah. To get the name of the surah, this command can be used. Surah name and give the index of the surah. For example, 1. The name of the first surah is surah name 1. Similarly, to write it in Arabic, write it in the Arab environment, surah name 1. The name of the first surah in English is coming here, Al-Fatiha, and similarly in Arabic it is coming here, Al-Fatiha. Similarly, for example, to see the name of the last surah, 114, An-Nas. The name, surah name of the last surah of the Holy Quran is coming here. Thank you. Hope that you like the tutorial. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.